All right, let's get it going. I just want to start number 4 here with you, and then I'm going to let you go on your own because there's one small thing that we didn't go over on Friday that I want to cover right now. So you can go ahead, if you haven't done so already, let's get your XY axes in there. All right, let's start. I'm only going to graph the last two should not be an issue. I'm here to help you guys with the first two. What did we talk about Friday? If X just by itself, what type of line am I looking at? X just by itself. Vertical line. Yep. So this is going to be a vertical line, but notice where it's going through. Where's this going through? It's 0, right? A vertical line going through 0. It's already graphed. What is it? A vertical line going through 0. It's right here, right? This is X greater than right here. It's the Y-axis. So let me talk about now what's the deal with the shading. Because I'm either going to shade to the right or to the left of this vertical line, the Y-axis. Now, all Friday, we were able to test 0, 0. But there's a problem. You can't test 0, 0 if your line goes through that point. So if that happens, if your line goes through 0, 0, no longer able to test it. Test another easy point. 1, 1, fine. 1, 1. Is 1 greater than or equal to 0? Yeah? Right? It is? So, okay, if that works, make sure you shade towards 1, 1, which is where? To the right or to the left? To the right or to the left of this vertical line? To the right. I'm not shading it because I told you guys on Friday, if I end up shading all 4 lines, it's going to cover the whole darn thing. So at least I know my solution's got to be to the right of the Y-axis. We're all good there so far. Why I would shade to the right. All good? I'm going to do one more here with you. Y greater than or equal to 0. What type of line? That's horizontal. Going through 0. It's already graphed. What is it? A horizontal line going through 0 is the x-axis. The x-axis. All right, I can't test 0, 0 because it goes through 0, 0. What's a point I could test? 1, 1 now. Is 1 greater than or equal to 0? Yes, so would I shade above or below my x-axis? I would shade above. Now look what we just talked about. To the right of the y-axis, to the above the x-axis. Do you see just the quadrant where it's probably going to be? No way is it in these 3. It's got to be somewhere here. And it's got to be smaller than that because you're going to have 2 more to graph right now. Okay? So we know our solution's got to be somewhere in the x-axis. So, I mean, somewhere in the first quadrant. So I should not see an S anywhere in any of the other quadrants. Like, no way it can be there. No way. It's got to be fully in the first quadrant. All right, that's where I wanted to end my stuff today. If you want to continue on with that one, define where in the first quadrant it's going to be. That's your call, or you can start from the beginning. Dashed, solid, be aware of them. Last thing, if you do make a mistake when I come around and check at the end, we're doing it on a full sheet of graph paper again. Okay, we're not going to be doing this, oh, I'm going to cross this out, baloney. We're doing it all again on a sheet of graph paper. So take your time, please. Let's go. Call me over if you have any questions. Find your intercepts. Should it be dashed? Should it be solid? Test 0, 0 unless the line goes through it.